Yeah, in fact, I'll tell you something interesting. Sorry, I interrupted your book.
Please,
I just
yeah.
got excited. So, होमर का जो पोइट्री है, होमर का जो लिटरेचर है, उसके अंदर, you know, Mediterranean is the bluest sea that we know of. We call it the Mediterranean blue. It's named after that, right? But होमर की उसके अंदर उसमें लिखा है कि sea was like the color of wine,
Ah,
right?
okay.
So, interestingly, back then, because they didn't have a word for blue, it appeared, you know, wine colored to them. I find
Okay.
that very interesting. So, what you're talking about is actually.
I have a joke.
Huh.
I have a joke. Please
Okay,
let
go
me.
ahead.
Again,
Yeah.
languages. ये again मैंने रॉबर्ट स्पॉल्स्की के ही लेक्चर में सुना था. So you know साइन लैंग्वेज कुछ होता है. So एक डेफ बच्चा तो साइन लैंग्वेज में this is milking,
Yeah.
right?
Hmm.
This is milking. What is this?
Still milking.
No, it is different. This is pasteurized milk. You know why they call it
Okay.
pasteurized milk?
Hmm.
Why this becomes pasteurized? This becomes milking because this is the action of milking a cow
Yeah.
or a goat.
Yeah.
This is because they thought हम ये करेंगे, वो जोक्स यूज कर रहे हैं, so jokes या puns यूज कर रहे हैं. Past your eyes,
Oh,
your eyes
God.
milk.
Oh God,
they
such
actually
a bad joke.
और जोक ये नहीं है, जोक ये कि they actually use this in ASL like American Sign Language.
Alright.
This actually means pasteurized milk.
Okay.
They also have poetry in ASL
Okay.
कि like और उसमें राइमिंग ऐसे नहीं होता कि वर्ड शुड साउंड सेम, क्योंकि साउंड तो कुछ है ही नहीं ना. सो अगर सपोज एक एक्शन है जिसमें ये होता है, सपोज आई डू दिस एंड दिस मीन्स समथिंग, ये
Yeah.
बिजनेस मतलब हाइपोथेटिकली, तो इसका राइमिंग वर्ड होगा कि जिसका एक्शन ये है.
Okay.
सो साइंस में दे हैव राइमिंग वर्ड्स और उनकी पोएट्रीज है पूरी लोगों ने पोएट्रीज बनाई है
Wow.
साइन लैंग्वेज में भी.
Wow, I would love to, I would say, see that sometime. मैं बोलना चाह रही थी, I would like to read that. I'm like, no. I would like to hear that. No, I would like to see that sometime.
या